Hello everyone. Well, I'm showing you guys the holes. Holes on a exhaust on F-150 2013. Why does the Ford has holes? All the white stuff is, I use that stuff that you're supposed to use for repair the exhaust. That people, popular YouTubers, cut their exhaust pipes and showed how to fix it. And they make it look like it's working. But apparently it's not. It only worked for like maybe a day and then everything came off. And that's what it's just a stain. See a little hole? I don't know. It's a solid exhaust. It's not rusted or rotted. Has some surface rust, you know, which is, you're gonna have on any exhaust. And same thing on the other side. It's like, why? Why are you for doing this? It's like, why do you have holes? It's like, why do you have holes on exhaust? Makes no sense, I know. But apparently Ford believes that you should have holes in your exhaust. And the truck was 4 years old when I noticed it, and I'm like, man, this makes no sense. Same thing the other part on exhaust. So why? Then take a look here at this stainless steel exhaust. Or aluminized, whatever, the other part. Same thing on the back side of it. It has a hole. See right there? So there you go, you know. Ford makes things to rust with holes. I'm gonna show you guys that this is Ford F-150. There you go.